Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can click on apps and you can enter to YouTube app here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you can enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.